Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Zafar Iqbal, Dean Faculty of Humanities. I am also involved in the Department of English as its senior member and assigned to teach linguistics and literature and supervise research as well. Today we are here in the ISP studio to talk about the scope of our subject, covering both sides of literature and linguistics. With me, I have two of my senior colleagues here to focus on that topic and explain it comprehensively. On my left side is Dr. Sajid. Dr. Sajid is head of department. He is deeply involved in promoting all activities with regard to our subject at the department. And sitting next to him is Dr. Asif. He is also one of the senior members. I ask Dr. Sajid to tell us the range of programs that he has on offer at his department related to both literature and linguistics.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me here at a very good forum, ISP Studio. And thanks ISP and thanks ISP Studio for inviting me here. So far as your question is concerned, sir, it's very much relevant as we are going to offer different programs at the Department of English. For example, BS program, for example, MA English, for example, MPhil English, and MPhil is being offered as a regular program and as a regular program as well as weekend program. And we have also very good opportunity for those parents who are very much conscious about the quality education of their women or their daughters. So we have a separate women block where there is no co-education and a very good environment there, and the daughters can easily and the female can easily get quality education there at MPhil and MA level. And we are in the future we are going to planning to start very different diploma programs.
Can you,
as
Dr.
well.
Saab, briefly explain to me, for the benefit of students, the kind of competence you will impart in your students so that they can get a reliable job when they enter the practical life?
Thank you very much, sir. Very good question. Again, actually, English studies in general and English linguistics and English literature as well are very much beneficial for the students in Pakistani scenario as well, because Pakistan has been the colony of the Britishers, and here the concept of English as a second language, we are teaching English as a second language, and it has great potential. And not only our ISP as a whole, English studies, particular English linguistics in particular, going to offer very good potential for the students to get competence in the field. And there are so many jobs. You can be a good teacher, you can be a good smart teacher, as well as you can in general, for example, you can do CSS and you can appear in competitive exam as well, apart from being a teacher. So it has variety of the opportunity to appear in different job placement, and it's variety of different job markets available even in Pakistan. And I especially say even in the COVID situation where there is a jobless situation in the different fields, so our experts are highly educated and you can get many job placement everywhere in Pakistan in different institutions.
Now I ask Dr.
Yes.
Asif for his input with regard to literary studies. Do you think literary studies are still as important as studies in linguistics, which prepare linguists professionally as well as students for other professions as well?
Let me give an overview of literary studies, sir. We know that literature is the reflection of a society, and through literature we express our feelings, our thoughts, our ideas, and our ideology. And we know that for the expression of our ideas our ideology and our feelings, and as well as our thoughts, we need a language. This language might be spoken and it might be written as well. So the language is a basic component in the literary studies again. So we know that the language of the literature is a bit different from the normal language that we use in our daily life, because the language in literature is concentrated, it is meaningful as well as thoughtful.
Dr. Asif, do you think literary studies still have international market?
Yes, I think that literary studies have still international market as well as on our national level. Still, we have the deficiency of experts in literature. It means that most of the universities are now focusing upon linguistics, and in market we still need some experts.
Dr. Sajid, are you considering to introduce doctoral studies at ISP in the near future?
Sir, well, good question. Sir, we are going to offer different diploma programs in very next future,
Right.
keeping in view the job markets, for example, TEFL, for example, ELT, for example, ESP,
That's
for
highly
example,
appreciable. I think it will be a good addition
yeah,
to the existent form of knowledge.
yeah.
Yes.
Or in very next future, we are going to start even our PhD program, because as we have taken all sort of made arrangements regarding the expertise of the teachers, regarding the
I think you have
placement
now
of the
a
doctors.
good number of PhDs in
Yes,
both
we-
linguistics and literature
Yes, we
to
have.
launch this program.
Yes, we have 6 permanent PhD doctors, both experts in linguistics as well as from literature. So we have taken decision just to
Your
take.
research journal was also in the making, I heard.
Yes, we are going to launch even the research journals as well, and we have given the call for the papers as well. In very future, we the people from ISP.
Sir,
the
if I may add,
Yes.
Please add something.
Yes, please.
then we have a very seasoned and experienced kind of faculty at ISP. It is available all the time for our students. So whether it is the coursework or it is in research, we can provide the best of the faculty of this region, as well as it is comparable and competitive, whereas all the universities of this region and on the provincial level is concerned. So the students have a very good opportunity if they would join this institution. They would have a very good opportunity to get a quality education.
What about the quality of research at ISP?
The quality of research has improved over the years now. Now we are at a level that we can compete with any kind of research that is being done at different institutes and universities, because we have very good infrastructure, sir, and we have a seasoned and experienced kind of quality as well.
Okay, let's now take a break. We will take up the same topic again when we come back.
Institute of Southern Punjab Multan, the largest and pioneer degree awarding institute in South Punjab region.
टेक्नोलॉजी के इस दौर में
एक प्रोफेशनल का स्किलफुल होना इतना ही ज़रूरी है
जितना कि एक इंसान के लिए खुराक का होना ज़रूरी है।
इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साउथर्न पंजाब के विजन को जहन में रखते हुए
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस ला रहा है एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम
जिससे मिलेगी ज़बरदस्त इंफॉर्मेशन
हर उस शख्स को जो करना चाहता है कमाल इस फील्ड में।
टीचर्स के नॉलेज से लेकर एलुमनाई के एक्सपीरियंस तक
और एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन से लेके स्टूडेंट्स के इश्यूज तक
होगी डिस्कशन एक बहुत मज़ेदार अंदाज में।
तो जल्द मुलाकात होती है बैठक में।
Welcome back, Dr. Asif. Before the break, we were talking about the quality of research with regard to literature at ISP. Do you think you are satisfied?
Yes, sir. I am very much satisfied, and I can say with full confidence that if the students would join this institute, they would be satisfied because it has the as we were talking about the seasoned and the most experienced faculty.
Somebody
and then we
told
have the
me-
best infrastructure
Somebody
available.
told me that the general impression among the students is that they take a very reductive approach to research. They think that research is all about some methods, knowing some methods, and doing some work according to those methods.
No, sir.
They just forget about the philosophy of research, sociology of research, psychology of research.
But,
They don't take the comprehensive view of
yes,
research.
sir. It was some period before, but we have very much streamlined the things now,
Right.
and it has been improved
I heard
to
about
a
it.
great extent. And
That's really good.
yes,
You are
sir,
trying to improve things.
improve things bit by bit, and hopefully we will achieve a very target of the quality research in this institute.
Now people have started realizing that ISP is shaping up to become one of the best in terms of both education as well as research.
Yes, sir.
And somebody told me that Dr. Sajid is trying to streamline some other aspects of research as well. I think the preparation of research directory is underway.
Yes, sir. Thank you. We are going to start a research directory as well. All the topics, approved topics from the previous students will be published very soon in the form of a booklet, and the student can verify whether they have already somebody else has researched already or it's a new area.
I think it will
And,
be great help to students
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It would be
research.
of great help, of course.
in finalizing
And
the research
secondly,
topic.
sir, we have been providing such kind of topics to the students, which
Yes,
are
sir.
very modern as well. And
Yes, I have noticed that the topic students are looking at,
Yes,
they have
sir.
a good element of novelty in it.
yes, sir.
Yes, a very innovative.
They are not kind of stereotypes.
fresh kind
Yes,
of topics that they
that's
have been
good.
searching over the years now.
That's
and that is also an added advantage to the students because they will
I
come
have
to
realized
know
that students, when students come to me, previous ones, they
Yes.
ask for PhD. Sir, when are you going to start PhD? It means they are interested in it,
Yes, sir.
in research.
Yes, sir. Because they have visited this, they have joined this this institute. They have passed 2 years over here. So now they know that what is the quality of research and what is the quality of education over here. So
That's
that is why
right.
they are so interested in the next program.
You are
would
quite
like
right.
programs
I
of
think
ISP.
ISP has become an ideal place for study as well as research.
No doubt, sir.
We have
It
the
is-
best faculty,
and
senior teachers,
Sir.
highly qualified, others who are also learning,
yes, sir.
getting into the pipeline.
Yes, sir. We have
I
a
think
very
things will improve further.
Sir, I would like to add something regarding the research matter. We have at the ISP a resource center, newly built resource center. It has millions of books online available at the center and on the internet facility as well. The student can sit over there. They can get a lot of material over there. We have state-of-the-art library as well. Student can refer so many books from them
Yes.
in hard form as well. And right from allocation of the topics just to conduction of the viva, we obey all the SOP. We observe all the SOPs, and we never
Yes,
leave
everything is
any
being done in conformity with the HEC rules
Yes,
and guidelines.
that is very important point,
Yes.
sir. And we know that even right from the beginning, and when they choose their topic, then they go for the defense of their proposal, and finally when they come into the process of writing thesis, even they are made to visit the faculty and the institute many times, and there is set timetable for them to visit the institute and take help from the teachers as well.
Well, what you, Dr. Asif, and you, Dr. Sajid, have told me, I can unhesitatingly pronounce that ISP is an ideal place for study as well as research.
Yes, sir. And
Given the fact that you have an experienced faculty, the right infrastructure,
yes, sir.
aviators, everything which can contribute to the
Quality.
generation of quality research.
Quality research as well as
So
education.
we are on the right track.
Yes, sir.
And definitely we will improve further
Yes, sir. There
as
is
we
a
progress.
scope of improvement.
There is always a
we know
space
that.
for the improvement. And
This is just the beginning, and we will move forward and improve
That's
and
right.
refine all these things.
I really appreciate the urges there. We are not going to be smug at whatever we have achieved. We want to achieve more
Yes, sir.
in terms of positivity.
And
Good
all
dream
the,
for these.
yes, sir. All the members of the faculty are committed and devoted.
That's right.
That
That's
is
good.
also the plus point of
I really
ISP.
appreciate that. Well, we are now drawing to a close of our program. I would like Dr. Sajid to give any message to the students if he likes.
Yes, sir. In the end of, I would like to give a message that is very important for the students of that region, Southern Punjab region. I think there is no parallel, there is no a good institute like ISP in the whole of the region in terms of quality education, in the terms of quality research. So I would like to invite the students to visit ISP from with their parents, with all sort of SOPs, Corona SOPs. They can visit the ISP, they can visit the department, even
they can also visit you because
Yes,
you are always
can-
in your office.
Yes, they can even visit the faculty members to ask as many as questions they want to put regarding their queries about the department, about the disciplines being offered in our department. So getting admission and getting quality education and ISP, I think must be the wonderful objective of the students of the whole region, the Southern Punjab. Because
And I think Dr. Asif will
Yes, sir,
also
thank you.
agree with me that
Yes.
there is no doubt about the prospect of job
No,
for these
no doubt,
students.
sir. And in your
Whether it's a linguistics or literature, they can get absorbed in various.
yes, sir. And
profession.
everybody knows you, sir. You are here in this institute, and we feel proud that we have been doing all these services under your guideline and under
Well,
your
we are as a
package.
team, we are trying to work and achieve our goals.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No doubt, we are a very committed and devoted kind of team at ISP.
And I am really proud of my team, people like
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
who are
Thank you.
always ready to contribute.
Yes, sir. No doubt. And
I get reports indirectly from my colleagues. You are both committed
thank you,
and
sir.
working hard.
Thank you, sir.
That gives me more encouragement, positivity.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
No doubt. And we know that we have a very experienced kind of leader with us that makes us motivated and devoted as well as
And Dr.
committed
Sahab,
for our students.
Let's try collectively to launch our PhD program as soon as possible.
Inshallah.
Because
Sure,
there's
sir.
a lot of demand for
Yes,
it.
sir. In very next future,
And now we
going
are
to
in
launch.
good position to
to launch
to
this,
carry it out.
No doubt, sir. We are inshallah in a position to
Thank
launch
you.
this program.
Thanks.
Right, we have come to the conclusion of our talk. Thank you very much, you gentlemen, for your input on this important topic of the scope of our subject,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
particularly
Thank you.
with regard to their absorption in different departments.